Most people are working 40, 50, 60 hours a week and barely making ends meet. But what if the key isn't working more hours? It's using the right AI tools. What if I told you that you could work smarter and start building your first four-figure day online? The secret is AI. AI is not the future, it's the present. And if you're not using it, you're leaving money on the table. So today, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools that we use every single day to run our online business. Tools that write for us, design for us, edit for us, and help us create content faster than ever before. I'm going to show you how we use these tools together to create professional content without needing a big team, expensive equipment, or years of experience. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, stuck, or like there aren't enough hours in the day, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Let's start with the reality. AI is not going to replace you, but someone using AI will replace you. This is the new world we're living in. The people who adopt AI first will have a massive advantage. They will produce more, reach more people, and build faster. We made the decision to embrace AI about 2 years ago, and it changed everything. Tasks that used to eat up our entire day now take just a couple of hours. We started getting more done, reaching more people, and building real momentum in our business. And the only thing that changed was we started using AI. So if you're thinking AI is not for me, or I don't understand AI, or I'm not tech savvy, I'm telling you right now, you're wrong. AI is for everyone, and it's easier than you think. Let me walk you through the exact AI tools we use. The first tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is free to start, and we use it for writing, scripts, email copy, content ideas, social media captions. If it involves words, ChatGPT helps us write it. The second tool is Claude. Claude is also free to start, and we use it for deeper thinking, long-form content, and when we need a second opinion on our copy. It's like having a second brain. The third tool is Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI, and it's free. We use it for research, summarizing information, creating images, and getting quick answers. It's especially powerful when we need to pull in real-time data or cross-check facts. The fourth tool is Manus. Manus is an AI agent that can actually do complex tasks for you. Research, build entire documents, create full video packages, and even browse the web. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps. The fifth tool is HeyGen. HeyGen is where we create our YouTube videos. We give it a script, and our AI avatar delivers it on screen. No camera needed, no filming, just pure content creation. The sixth tool is Canva. Canva is our design tool for thumbnails, social media graphics, and any visual content we need. With AI features built in, it makes designing incredibly fast, even if you're not a designer. And the seventh tool is CapCut. CapCut is our video editing tool, and it's free. It has AI features that auto-caption videos, remove silences, and even suggest edits. It turns raw footage into polished content in minutes. And the eighth tool is Funnel Freedom Software. This is the all-in-one platform where we build our sales funnels, landing pages, email sequences, SMS campaigns, and manage our entire customer journey. It replaces multiple tools and lets us build a complete business system in minutes instead of days. Now, let me show you exactly how we create our YouTube videos. This is our actual workflow, and it's the same one we used to create this video you're watching right now. Step 1, we use Manus to build the entire video package. We give Manus a topic, and it comes back with a complete script, SEO description, thumbnail ideas, social media copy, email copy, everything we need. Step 2, we take that script from Manus and paste it into HeyGen. HeyGen records our AI avatar delivering the script. No camera, no studio, no reshoots, just a polished video ready to go. Step 3, we use CapCut to add captions, clean up the audio, and polish the final video. CapCut's AI does most of the heavy lifting. Auto captions, silence removal, all in minutes. Step 4, Manus also generates the thumbnail design for us. Step 5, we upload everything to YouTube. And step 6, we use Funnel Freedom to build the landing page and sales funnel for the offer, complete with email sequences and all the automations. This entire workflow, from idea to published video, used to take us days. Now it takes a few hours. That's the power of AI working together. When AI handles the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, it frees you up to focus on the high-value activities, things like strategy, relationship building, and growing your audience. These are the things that AI can assist with but can't fully replace because they require your personality, your judgment, and your human connection. So when you use AI to handle the heavy lifting, you get to show up as the best version of yourself in your business, and that's when things really start to grow. Let me give you some specific AI hacks that are saving us hours every single week. The first hack is using ChatGPT to batch create content. We use ChatGPT to repurpose content constantly. We take one piece of content and ask AI to transform it into different formats. Maybe a reel, maybe a different hook, maybe a completely different angle. What used to take hours now takes minutes. The second hack is using Manus to build complete content packages. We give Manus a topic and it comes back with a script, SEO description, social media posts for Facebook, pinned comments for YouTube, email copy, and even the landing page elements for our funnel. That's hours of work done in minutes. The third hack is using CapCut's AI auto-captions. Every video we create gets captions automatically added in seconds. This saves us at least an hour per video and makes our content more accessible. The fourth hack is using Canva's AI tools to resize and repurpose designs. We create one graphic and Canva automatically resizes it for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And the fifth hack is using Gemini or ChatGPT to create images. You get different styles from each, so we pick whichever one fits the vibe we're going for. It's like having multiple designers on speed dial. Now let's talk about what this actually means for your business. When you use AI consistently, you don't just save time, you increase your output. And more output means more reach. More reach means more income. Think about it. If AI helps you create content twice as fast, you can publish twice as much. If you publish twice as much, you reach twice as many people. If you reach twice as many people, you make more sales. This is the compounding effect of AI. It's not just about saving time today, it's about building momentum that grows over time. And the best part, you don't need a big team. You don't need a big budget. You just need the right tools and the right system. Here's what most people get wrong about AI. They think it's expensive. They think you need to spend thousands of dollars to get started, but that's not true. ChatGPT is free to start. Claude is free to start. Gemini is free. Manus is free to start. HeyGen starts at $24 a month. Canva has a free plan. CapCut is completely free. You can get started with all of these tools for free. And even if you upgrade to premium versions later, you're looking at less than $50 a month for a full AI-powered business toolkit. That's less than a dinner out. Now let's talk about the future. AI is getting better every single day. New tools are being released every week, and the tools that exist are getting more powerful. The people who are going to succeed in the next 5 years are the people who embrace AI now, the people who learn how to use these tools, the people who build systems and processes around AI. If you wait, you're going to fall behind. If you start now, you're going to be ahead of the curve. So here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one tool from this list and start using it today. Just one. Don't try to implement everything at once. Start with ChatGPT if you haven't already. Use it to write your next social media post. Use it to outline your next video. Use it to draft your next email. Just start, because the best way to learn AI is to use AI. And once you're comfortable with one tool, add another, then another. Before you know it, you'll have a full AI-powered workflow that saves you hours every week and helps you build toward your first 4-figure day online. Now, if you want to go deeper, if you want to learn not just the tools, but the complete system for building an online income using AI, I want to show you something. We created a free demo showing you the exact ChatGPT bot we use to create viral content. This is the same bot that generated us 60,000 views in 28 days as beginners. Watch it, and you'll see exactly how we use AI to create scroll-stopping content that attracts your audience. And here's the best part. When you join the daily income method through our link, you don't just get access to the system. You get $4,040 in exclusive bonuses. That includes the viral content writer bot, done-for-you templates, closing scripts, and access to our complete Freedompreneur's Blueprint course. The link is in the description below. Click it, watch the free demo, take the quiz, and see if the daily income method is right for you. Let's build something great together.